Life is beautiful. Enjoy life, everyone. I wanted to show you an update. So this whole field is going to be green in the next few weeks. It's amazing. And then Florida will take on that beautiful green sheen. Man, the sky is really powerful here. The sun is. Oh wow. Anyway, I love it. Take care. I'll talk with you soon. If I see anything further, I will let you know. Oh, look at that great heron over there. You see that? Yeah. Oh. There we are. All right, everyone. You take care. And remember, keep stacking the canned foods. And don't ever, ever give up. It's a journey. We will all get through it. But remember this as well, if this kind of helps. We're all going to face, I know, not to be negative. Look how beautiful this world is. Nothing in this world lasts forever. And one day, our number will be called. We can't live forever. The purpose of life is live your dream. I'm sorry that there are so many rules and regulations happening, even to this day. Be good towards one another. Be true. Be honest. Be who you would want a perfect human to be like. It's very simple. For many, until you get there, it's a hardship. I can understand it. But for many, we're just here to help. We're here to help you in this time.